Hello दोस्तों, myself कौशल कुमार welcome you all on my YouTube channel EduSpark Learning. In this session, we would like to learn about linear equation in two variables. We have already completed two chapters. First one was real number and second one was polynomial. Now we are starting with third chapter. The name is chapter is linear equation in two variable, and now I am starting writing expression of linear equation. So an expression of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a b c belongs to real number. Okay, fine. And other condition is a must not equal to 0, b must not equal to 0, and c is constant already mentioned. So this is called a linear equation in two variable x and y. Here variable is what? Variable is x. Suppose mistake. Okay, one second. Variable is what? X and y. So x and y are the variable. For example, if we write like this, 3x minus 7y equal to 10. Okay. Second one, root 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So what we are seeing here, x and y, these two are the variable, and remaining all the coefficient of x and y all are real number. Real number means combination of rational number and irrational number. Okay. So and what is the solution of equation? So what is the solution of linear equation? So solution of suppose x equal to alpha and y equal to beta. These two value is the solution of linear equation. Then this must be this both value, if we place in any variable, this alpha and beta must satisfy the solution. Then we have to write it like this: if these two are solution of linear equation, then it must satisfy the solution. Linear equation of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then it must satisfy that a alpha plus b beta plus c equal to 0. Okay, this must satisfy this. Then only we can say that this is the linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now next topic is simultaneous linear equation in two variable. This means what? There will be two equation. Suppose first one is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Okay, and second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. In this case, if we have to find out the solution of these two equation simultaneously, then if again I am considering alpha equal x equal to alpha and y equal to beta, these two are the solution of this simultaneous equation, then this value of x and y simultaneously satisfy this equation also and this equation also. Okay, let us taking some example. X plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. Okay, I am taking two equation, first one, second one. Then suppose if we solve this equation, I will tell what are the different method to solving this type of solution. So now I am just solving this. We will get x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. So here we are getting x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. Now putting this two value in this, then 6 plus 4 equal to 10. This means this is satisfied. Again same, this value 6 and 4 putting in this equation, then we will get again this is satisfying. So we can say that this is the solution of this both equation. So this will be the simultaneous linear equation of two variable in two variable. Okay. Now we proceed to the topic is consistent and inconsistent of system of linear equation. So consistent system of linear equation. Okay, the definition is a system of two linear equation in two variable is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. Okay, means if two equation are given, this first and second, okay, and if this whole system has at least one solution, if these two system of a system of two linear equation in two variable have at least one solution, then we can call this is a consistent system of linear equation. And second one is inconsistent system, just opposite, inconsistent system of linear equation. Then what will the definition in this? Same, a system of linear equation in which what I have written, system of two variables equation in two variables which is said to be consistent in two equation, the system linear equation in two variable, one second. In two variable is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution, okay, at all. So what we have seen, for inconsistent at least one solution is required, but if a system is like this where no solution exists, then this system will be called inconsistent system, okay. Now method of, I am taking other page. So solving simultaneous linear equation, okay. So first method is graphical method, okay, graphical method. Second method is called substitution method. Substitution method. Or third one is what? Elimination method. Elimination method, okay. This one is the most important, although all are important, but this is the most important and most useful. Maximum time we will go through this method for solving the question, okay. So now I am starting graphical method for solving the linear equation system. Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This two system equation is given. Then I have to plot a line according to this. This is why this is called linear equation. Why this is called linear? Because the highest power of any of variable is how much? 1. So this is linear. So we will suppose we draw a line like this. This is for equation 1, and we draw second line which is for equation 2. Now this point, there will be a coordinate x and y. This x and y coordinate will be the solution of this simultaneous equation, which will satisfy this equation also and this equation also at the same time, okay. And if sometimes we draw graph like this, and in first case what we are seeing, a single point we are getting. When two line intersect at a point, then we got a single point. Then at this time you will get one solution, and then one solution is unique solution, okay. So this will call the unique solution. Suppose in next time if we plot like this, first line for equation 1, and again for the second line we are getting same equation, same line, means two line overlapping each other or coinciding each other. Then in that case there are a infinite number of point cutting each other or meeting each other. In this equation, in this graph, one point cutting each other, but when two line overlapped each other, the multiple line, or you can say infinite point which is common. So in this case we will get infinite solution. Okay, and what we have called inconsistent? Consistent means at least one solution. So here we got one solution and here is more than one solution. So what we conclude here, unique solution and infinite solution will give us what? Consistent solution. Okay, consistent system will call consistent system of linear equation. Okay, now another case may also be possible. In that two line we draw two graph of a different equation which comes like this, means both lines are parallel. In this case nowhere any point is meeting to anyone, so this is parallel. What is the definition of parallel line? The perpendicular distance between these two lines is always constant, so nowhere in the space these two lines meet one another. So here is no solution, and no solution means inconsistent, so this will come under inconsistent system of linear equation. Okay, fine. Now I am taking one example, and from this we will conclude. Suppose one example is like this and equal to 2. Okay, so we will draw a table like this. Okay, I put like this, we will put x here, y here. Now suppose yes, no, I am changing the, for better clarity I am changing equation. Yes, what should I take? Yes, 4x minus 5y plus 16 equal to 0 and 2x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so putting x equal to 0 in this equation, putting x equal to 0 in this equation, we will get, or any number I can take, no need to take 0. 0 I will take later for shortcut. So putting x equal to 1 here, x equal to 1, then what will get? Putting x equal to 1, then I will get x equal to 1, so 4 minus y plus 16 equal to 0. So we will get minus 5y equal to 16 minus 4, so minus 24 divided by 5, this will come 4.5. so y will be 4.5, and if taking y equal to 0, then x will be minus 4. Then we will draw curve like this. Okay, we will draw the x equal to 1 and y equal to 4.5. suppose this is the point, and x equal to minus 4, y equal to 0. So this is the line segment for first equation, and for the second one we draw a table like this where x and y, if suppose x equal to 0, then y equal to how much? X equal to 0 means y equal to minus 6 and y equal to 0. Suppose in this y equal to 0, then x equal to 3. So x equal to 0, y equal to minus 6. Suppose x equal to 0, y equal to minus 6, and y equal to 0, then x equal to 3. Suppose here is 3. Okay, so we draw like this, and here a point will meet. This point will have both two coordinate x and y. Okay, so we will find this coordinate. This coordinate will give the answer. Okay, suppose alpha and beta are the answer, that point, then this solution will alpha and beta will be the solution of this equation. Okay, now I am stopping right now. Today here only we will proceed for one or two example. After that we will proceed to the next substitution method and elimination method. Okay, till now, thank you all.